Hello, Samurian.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I just wanted to tell you something that happened this afternoon.
Okay.
Well, I went there and ordered a toasted chicken breast sub, and the toasted bread cut up the roof of my mouth.
Was it today afternoon what time?
About 1 o'clock-ish.
Oh, like
12:30?
lunchtime done?
Yeah, there was a big line. You probably wouldn't remember me, but I ordered the chicken breast.
There was no idea. Like with this like now we are afternoon people. We know like evening shift people, not for the morning or lunchtime.
Oh, and also I had another question.
Yeah.
I went to a very important business meeting, and I didn't know I had herbs in my teeth. Do you have any suggestions how I can reduce that? Like, it was really